Gaining trust, the key to strong relationships. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a vital aspect of personal and professional relationships, gaining trust. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, and understanding how to build it is crucial for successful interactions. So let's dive in and learn more about it. What is trust? At its core, trust is the belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. It's not just about believing that someone won't deceive you, it's about feeling confident in their abilities and intentions. Without trust, relationships remain on a superficial level. Trust is not just a nice-to-have, it's essential. In friendships, it allows us to share our thoughts and feelings openly. In business, it can mean the difference between a deal that falls through and one that flourishes. Trust is also self-reinforcing. The more you trust someone, the stronger your relationship can become. Gaining someone's trust doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, honesty, and integrity. Here are some steps to build trust. Be reliable. Do what you say you will do. Communicate openly. Share information and be transparent. Show empathy. Understand and reflect others' feelings. Admit mistakes. Be accountable and learn from errors. How do you know if trust is present? Look for these signs. People are willing to be vulnerable with you. They seek your opinion or advice. There's a mutual respect and understanding. They are comfortable in your presence. Sometimes trust is broken, but it can often be repaired. This requires a genuine apology, a commitment to change behavior, and the time to rebuild confidence in the relationship. Remember, rebuilding trust is a process and takes patience. Trust is the invisible thread that binds our relationships, and gaining it is a valuable skill. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of trust and how you can cultivate it in your relationships. Keep practicing these principles, and you'll find your connections with others growing stronger. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.